Welcome to Max's Garage Mahal. Hey, we want to stop by here during this COVID-19 time and one more time and say we hope you're all being safe. We wanted to give a shout out at this time, and this is for all us at the Big Dog and Hustler More Owners group. And I want to give a shout out to, first of all, number one, I want to give a shout out to Doug Creamer. He's one of our admins, and Mr. Michael Jesse over at Michael Jesse. By the way, Creamer Neon is Doug Creamer. That's his video channel, and I think he's going to start doing more videos for you guys soon. And he's a great guy. You need to reach out to him, say hello. Michael Jesse, very creative fella. I mean, this guy is very creative. You look at his Hustler Raptor RSD 54 Super Sport. Man, he's got toolbox covers on it. He's got lights of all kinds. He's got flashing lights. He's got mirrors on it, and he's got a fishing reel on that thing that raises and lowers his discharge chute. Go by and see Michael Jesse. Tell him Max sent you. And but reach out to these guys. Say hello. Now, as I said, I'm making this video for you guys at the Big Dog and Hustler More Owners group. And we also want to give a shout out, while we're giving shout outs, we want to give a shout out to all the Excel Industries executives, the sales reps, and the employees. We appreciate you guys coming into the group, and we appreciate you giving help to the owners, which of course is the thing. These guys, these owners that's purchasing your product, we all know that we can be great at doing something. But without someone purchasing our products, like my Max's Garage Mahal caps and my Max's Garage Mahal tape measures, guys, we're not great without someone purchasing this stuff. So thank you guys for coming in. We appreciate it. And by the way, I know that I'm tough on you guys. Okay. Reason why I'm tough on you guys is I will call you out if there's something that you need to take care of. These old Raptor frames, you know, the price point brings us in with a bolt together frame. We all understand that, and that's what we bought, that's what we got. And but we're having some problems with them. I'd like for you guys to reach out to everyone that's got one, bought it new, replace all their brackets. I know that's a tough call. It's a lot of money, especially after Lowe's took off and went somewhere else. But we do appreciate you guys and all the help you're giving to the people that's got these lawnmowers that's having problems. So appreciate you very much. And want to give a shout out to Mass Depot. Mass Depot, they're our official tire, wheel, and tool company. Mass Depot, that's Shane Smith, and they're in Keosho, Missouri. And great fella. He really loves performance products, and he loves racing and four-wheelers and motorcycles and side-by-sides and UTVs and I guess color TVs and all kinds of stuff. Shane, appreciate you helping us out here at Max's Garage Mahal. Thank you very kindly. And the media marketing director over there, Lindsay May, thank you so much for recognizing the channel. We do appreciate it and helping us out. She hooked us up with a fuel can, which we've had some discussions in the last week or so in the Hustler Motor Owner group about fuel cans. Mr. Tim Hooper over at Fuel Works, they are an Arkansas manufacturer, and we appreciate their design, we appreciate the quality, and we appreciate you helping us out through Mass Depot. And we'd like to say that I accepted a challenge more than once on these fuel cans, just to give you an idea how much I like these fuel cans. Not only are they the fastest thing out there as far as fuel transfer goes, they stack. So number one, they're super fast. Number two, they're stackable. You can stack them as high as the plastic will allow, and I don't know how high that is. I've never tried it over 3, but they stack great at 3. You put them in a trailer, put a rope around them, and they'll stay right there going down the road. Wonderful, wonderful thing. Oh, and you know what I should mention? The most important thing is, and I brought this to Tim's attention sometime last year, The best part about that can is, to me, is you can go right over through that door into the lawnmower shop, lawnmower room, and it's gas fumes free. Absolutely amazing. I've got 15 brands of cans. That's the first time I've ever had fuel in a building that doesn't have gas fumes in it. Mr. Hooper, Fuel Works, thank you very kindly. We also want to give a shout out over here to Biswaye batteries. You know, you've seen me testing their batteries, and when they reached out to me to test their batteries, I really didn't take it seriously. This was over a year ago, and to be honest with you, I really wasn't accustomed to someone contacting me and say, hey, would you test my product? And Trine over at Biswaye contacted me and asked me to do so, and as I said, didn't take it seriously, didn't really answer her right away. And I think she contacted me 5 or 6 times, and I don't know why she did, because, you know, if someone ignores you, you pretty much are done with them. I certainly am. And Trine, I apologize. I want to apologize to you right now. So we thank you for contacting me, and I thank you for saying, when I told you that I would abuse your batteries and no, you can't give them to me, I will purchase them. Thank you for allowing me to purchase them, because I know you really tried to just get me to do it without that, and I thank you for that. But I told her I'm going to abuse them, and I told her some of the things I was going to do. I was going to bypass the circuitry system and run them all the way down. You've seen me do that on the film, and I've done that. I've bypassed the circuits. I've killed the batteries. You've seen me on one of the videos where I've done the AED, and AED is the automatic electronic discharge for shocking people that's had heart attacks. Well, those batteries didn't have heart attacks. I outright killed them, but that's the abuse I was going to put on them. I told her about. And she said, go ahead. You do what you need to do. You tell us what it's doing and how it's doing. We want to know what you think. I don't know why she chose me. Thank you, Trine, for choosing me. But I did that, and I shocked them back to life, and so far, every one of them's come back to life. I'm not Catholic, but it never hurts. And with that said, I also told her when they're flat dead, I'm going to freeze them. I did that too. And I've done it on every battery. So that's pretty good abuse when you run a lithium battery down below 3.4, 3.0 volts, and then on top of that freeze it. Not likely you're going to bring them back. So they've got good battery cells in there. And I've seen Samsung in most of their cells. And the other day I got some pair of Works that had LG. And those things are stout. I've run that thing for about 350 feet around here. Not only on a weed trimmer, which I've put away, I also went behind it with a blower. And I'm really happy. Biswaye, thank you for helping us out. So once again, we want to say hello to everybody. We want to thank you for joining the group. We want to thank you for giving good, honest information when someone asks you how to repair an item or what you think of the item, whether it's the blades from Hustler or the blades from whomever. Thank you for being honest with these people that's asking. Thank you for sharing. We appreciate you very kindly. Thank you one and all. And the group is still growing. If you'll watch our group numbers relative to Ferris, Walker, Husqvarna, Arians, you name it. Big Dog has their own group as well. Our numbers have surpassed them almost 3 times. And I've had to get rid of some of you guys. You know, some of you guys have been a little bit on the crusty side. I've had to put you out the door, much as I didn't want to. And I always try to give everyone an opportunity to be nice. Let's keep the cussing to a minimum if we can. And, you know, I'm, in person, probably the biggest cusser in the country. Good Lord, hope you'll forgive me. Thank you very much. Anyway, by the way, while I'm here, we're going to take pre-orders for these Hustler mower owner hats, and you know they're not a bad looking cap. But, oh, and we're selling these little MGM caps too. But anyway, if you buy one of these, they're $21.95, and that's shipped directly to your door, or wherever you tell us to ship it. And If you buy 3 to 4, they're $20.95, 3 to 5 each. If you buy 6 or more, they're $19.95 each. So if you got crews out there, get you some Hustler Motor Owner pride out there and show the people where you belong and who you belong to and who you pal around with. And by the way, on the Mass Depot over here, whenever you purchase from them, be sure and use this MGM code so that they can give you an additional discount. They ship everything that you purchase from them, I think it's $25 or more, for free. So purchase from Mass Depot. Get your tires from Mass Depot. They've got products that's coming out now that they'll help our mower owner group, our Hustler Mower Owners with. And be sure to use that MGM code so that you can get a better discount plus the free shipping. So once again, I'm going to take your cap off over here. Put my Max's Garage Mahal back on here. And I've got the Hustler Motor Owners in black with yellow. And I'm probably going to start making some yellow caps with black Hustler Motor Owners on it. I don't know, may not, but I probably will. And the clocks, if you want a Max's Garage Mahal or Hustler Motor Owners, the Hustler Motor Owners in this yellow, that clock is $23.95 shipped. The big dog in the red, $21.95. Now the mowers are more expensive, but the clocks are not. So anyway, the reason for it, I have to make these clocks yellow. Those are red. I can still get a few of those. So anyway, thank you to Mass Depot. Thank you to Biswaye batteries. Thank you to Fuel Works fuel cans. Thank you again to XL Industries, Big Dog Mowers, Hustler Turf. Thank you to all the employees there, and we want to thank all you guys that are owners. We want to thank you lawn care professionals that are buying all these products that are helping out the other guys that are maybe residential or don't really do a lot of work on theirs. Thank you all very kindly. By the way, and you've already seen me in this before, this is what's going to help you kill off this virus or at least calm it down. So please wear your mask. Stay 6 foot or more apart. If your wife gets on you, go to another room. Wait a minute, that's another story, so let's leave that out. And whatever you do, do not spread this virus. It's dangerous. It's killing people. And we want you to hang around to come visit us in Max's Garage Mahal and Facebook and in Hustler Mower Owners Group and many other places that we're up, like Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, Blogger, Vlogger, Twitch, Discord, and all that stuff. So anyway, we do appreciate it. Said it a bunch already, rambling on, but I want you to know we do appreciate it. And wear your damn mask. Y'all come back see us at Max's Garage Mahal. You hear? Oh, thumbs up.